They said that the Biafra resistance fighter is about to start wetin they call Operation Wipe the Sabo. No be small thing o, as you people don't know say the cow wey Fulani carry come for southeast get odeshi for body. As we drop am for our video, just check the second video, you go see the video where they kpai the cow. They try to shoot the cow, but the bullet no dey even enter because say the cow get odeshi for body. In case of you dey eat krishi meat o, or in case of you dey eat suya, oh, or you dey answer ogbuefi, abeg make you watch well o before you go chop person meat o. My people, things are really happening. However, let's jump into the matter and know wetin dey go on. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my wonderful people. If today na the first time wey you come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. My wonderful people, this Biafra resistance fighter don come outside though for this video wey I wan show you right now. Come talk say they go start wetin they dey call Operation Wipe the Sabo. He talk so many things for this video, but I want you to watch the video from beginning to end before you go say they no talk am o. However, as you people know say yesterday we posted one video come show una where the ESN dey try make dey kpai one cow, and that cow bullet everything wey dey try no dey enter im body. Say the cow get odeshi. Abeg o, before you go eat odeshi cow, make you eat very very careful. However, let's watch the video before we come back and continue. And please don't forget to share this video, very very important.
Now, I told you that we learned so many things in this war. In this, I think the war fought on 13 days or so. 13 days. Apart from the few days that have not been fighting, if we subjoin all the days that have fought the war is 9 days. They fought the war constantly. All the day they fight the war is 9 days. So others is just I mean the one where they fight from morning to night too is 9 days. Others now just if they just come and throw bomb boo, 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 and they run away. So, but do you know that they begin to day weak and finally succumb when we catch all their saboteur finish? When we lay hands on all their saboteur finish, all our saboteur, they did not have any information again. That was where they weak. But let me tell you something that this war does to us. A bush rat can never know road or know where you keep fish without the house rat directing the bush rat to where, or even taking the bush rat to where you they keep fish. Do you understand? And that was why I told you, a military cannot just come to your community if your AZ did not give permission. If your governor, your chairman did not signatory. Military cannot enter your domos without the governor, without the chairman, without your AZ permission. Yes, that is the truth. In our community, we have community where I come from. Police does not enter that community. No matter the dispute you have, no matter the problem you have, if you go and bring the police can never carry anybody out of that community without the permission of the king of that place. So what police will do, he will go straight to the king house and put the complaint to them. And the king will tell the police, okay, I've hurt you, go back. If I cannot handle the case, I will come back to you. I will bring the person to you. And that is the end. Police on its own cannot enter that place and arrest somebody. What am I trying to tell you? It's just a community. Army formation no fit enter your domo, begin to kill your innocent people, begin to thief, kidnap without the permission of your governors, without the permission of your chairman, local government chairman, without the permission of your Eze. And that is why now, look at what is happening. It is a governor that select or appoint. Your governor will appoint the local government chairman. You cannot vote. The Eze that normally used to be the neutral body before, now Eze doesn't used to play politics. Eze will not belong to any political party. Eze was a neutral body fighting for the interests of the people, but now it is the governor that appointed them. So that anything the governor say, they will agree. And that is why we say they are all saboteurs. Because they do not have the life, the interest of the people, indigenous people at heart. They don't. All they are after are their wealth, their money, their money, their money, their money. The money they will not even live to eat or enjoy. Them and their family. So my brother and my sister, anywhere you are, open your eye, notice the saboteur in your community. Notice your saboteur in your place of work. Notice the saboteur in your area. Your saboteur, this sabo must be in your area. I want you to be able to identify that person you know is a sabo, get his name and compile it, send for us. We will soon embark on Operation Wipe Out the Saboteur. There is no hidden place for the wicked. All of them. They will soon understand that this prophecy have been there before they were born. He says, Alanso, there will be no saboteur that will enter inside of it. And that is why I'm asking you, how much is equal to your life? How much is equal to your life? The Biafra we are fighting for, is it not for your own good and your children and your children betterment? Do you like what is going on in Nigeria? Look at Nigeria today. Do you happy with Nigeria today? It protests everywhere. Hunger that has just started. You are talking. Do you like what is going on in Nigeria today? How much is a cup of garri? How much is a cup of rice? Can you use 5,000 to cook better soup? Better soup. Do you like the condition of Nigeria? Do you think it will be better without Biafra? If you think so, you are the most stupid and idiotic human being. In fact, you are an animal. You are not even a human being. The only hope your children and your unborn children have is Biafra. And it is the same Biafra you are sabotaging. Tell me, why must you live? Your slave book says, suffer not a winch to live. You are more than a winch. You are more dangerous than a winch. Why should we allow you to live? The saboteur of Biafra have only one fate, and that fate is death. They have only one fate, and that fate is death. I am telling you the gospel truth. This, yes, I'm the one saying this. The sabotage of Biafra have only one fate, and that fate is death. So while you are thinking of sabotaging us, also know that death is waiting for you. So be warned again. There is no hidden place. You cannot hide. The land, the ground of Biafra will always face you out. Ask a lot of them. It will even the way where the land go take vomit you out, you no go even notice. You no go even understand. The way where the land go take disgrace you, you no go know. Before you begin to bake, we no go hear bake. We know they even hear you, sef. You must dance naked because you play the spiritual song. Having said this, it is your duty to ensure that you fish out, you notice them, and when time come, they will understand that the land of Biafra is the only land you cannot toy with. Have your nice day. Allow them to protest. They are just started. Hunger never finish them. Hunger go finish them. Yes. While we are facing our own, our mission is clear. When we tell them, say we will bring Nigeria down to the grave, they thought we were joking. They never see anything. Let Nnamdi Kanu go and let Biafra go. You say no. And I told you, either you accept we go in peace or we go in pieces. One thing is settled. Definitely Biafra must go. You can't stop us. The more you try, the more you will fall. The more we will drag Nigeria to the ground. Very soon, everywhere will be standstill. And then you will understand what it means to delay Biafra. You will soon understand. And you will wish you never do what you did. Yes. As for Biafrans, I want you to remain focused. Don't let anything distract you. No protest. Go on, live your life. Nothing dey happen. You know, concern us. What is our business is Biafra. What concern us is Biafra. And let us remain focused. Gather your instrument because very soon we are going to sing the songs of victory. Because Biafra is here already.
My people, welcome back, and as you don't watch that video, make sure say you share am. I don't know wetin dey go on o, na so e be. Now say mo bring am come give una. Now as e dey be na some video we go bring am, we go allow you to talk put for the matter, and before we go come for inside comment section come know the wetin wey we go talk put as well. Abeg share this video and tell us wetin you think. As you don hear am say operation wipe the Sabo, e go soon start. E say this Nigerian army dey go there, but dem no dey fit reach the end. However, na don hear everything, make you still share the video. More other people see dey know wetin dey go on. Remember say we dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Share the video, we go see you for the next update.